This week the weather is not really good in Bali. Hello, where do you come from? Quite busy, it's good. Welcome to Bali, brother.
Welcome to Bali!
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali around shopping center area after the rain. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, oh, we are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video around shopping center area in Seminyak Bali after the rain. Okay, so if you want to know, just make sure watch the end until the end. Yeah, this is Seminyak Village Mall. We'll make videos start from here, and then I will continue working on Kayu Aya Street. Actually, in the right side there is a bucket restaurant. Actually, they are open. They just cover because it's just been rain. Quite busy, isn't it? That is good. Okay, from here I will start working on Kayu Aya Street. So let's see together how busy down there today. It's just been rain. The street is still wet. You see, I saw you the wind. Actually, I'm gonna say like around this week the weather is not really good in Bali. Some storm, some flood, and also there is a lot of trees just fall down. The tree. Hello, where do you come from? Kami Kushika Begum. Okay, I'll show you how the situation at the moment at Seminyak Village. At Seminyak Square. Maybe busy around here today. This is also a shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Wow, Seminyak Village Mall. Not really busy. This is how you get wine. Red and white wine you can buy here. Okay, as I told you, I will make video also on Kayu Aya Street. So just make sure watch the video until the end if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street nearby shopping center area. Achonk was busy because the rain outside, so they all will stay in this shopping mall, but it's so quiet. Where's that? It's not busy yet. Beautiful stuff. Oh, quite busy down there at the restaurant, because right there at the corner also have art shop and also some restaurant down there. Yeah, otherwise we already know the situation at the moment at Seminyak Square. Not so bad. Still few trees in this area. That's good. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment, because Seminyak Square also very famous actually. Spot sport shop. Wah. Hello, hello, brother. You see at the front right side, there's like cafe. Usually I was busy down there too. I sit together. Wow, Fitri is down there. But again, so sorry because I have to talk louder because right there there's a lot of music, and I have to walk fast. Maybe I have to run, run away. Okay. Now we reach Kayu Aya Street. So I see together how busy in this area today. Okay, if I turn right, there's still also on Kayu Aya Street until Kayu Aya Square down there. And down there around 400 meters, there is Kayu Aya Square and Flea Market down there. But today I will show you around here because around here also there is some souvenir shop. Okay, let's walk around on Kayu Aya Street. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. So we start walking from the west part until to the east part on Kayu Aya Street. Oh, this is also Indian people. Also on the right side, Fitri down there, that's good. Hello, how are you? See that? And see the sky today, so dark. Hello, welcome to Bali, brother.
Hello.
Where do you come from, brother?
Princess Road.
Oh, princess, so beautiful. You must be lucky, brother. Wow. Hello, welcome to Bali. Bali teas. Hello, mate. G'day, mate.
Hey, mate.
Seminyak Bali after the rain. Not so bad. We still see Fitri in this area. That's good. Also in the restaurant, Fitri down there. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you, brother.
Barrier people that are that shy and closed off.
This clinic, Bali clinic.
Bali. Bir tane köylü vardı bizde ama 400 bin takipçisi vardı. Hemen evlenmiş.
Where you come from? I cannot recognize their language. Maybe their accent is different. Left side, Italian job, restaurant. Yeah, Fitri down there. Not so bad. I will walk around until to the is a hotel down there. Is hotel. Ooh. Wow, quiet again. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because that is for people around the world They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali around shopping center area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Another restaurant. Wow, future is down there inside actually. Not so bad. See that? Wow, empty again. I like the weather because it's not so hard to walk around in this area. And actually, I make this video on 5:30 p.m. Yeah, sunset is coming down soon actually. Yeah, future is down there. It's good. Hello, how are you? Where do you come from, brother? Wow, far away. Hello. It's quiet, isn't it? Very sad. How come it's so quiet?
Dạ. Đi là ba con tàu trên
Yeah, right side. That is Nirvana sport bar at the right side. At the right hand side. Which one better? Just say right side or right hand side? Yeah, Davido was been there with his brother. And this is Batik restaurant, also very famous and recommended actually. Features inside down there. Outside, because wet they are, stay inside. Because also it's just been rain. Coffee shop. Magroima, Ginger Moon. Wow, nice. Yeah, it is so quiet in this area, isn't it? Sport shop. Fokom Bilabong. Oh, sorry, this is Italian job. Wow. Quite busy, it's good. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali. Yeah, future down there is good. Italian job. At the front right side, the big building down there is the hotel. Is the hotel or is the hotel? Is the hotel. Last time there was famous restaurant we call Romo's restaurant in this area, but they are closing down since the pandemic happening. This is the hotel. Yeah, tourists inside the restaurant, but I cannot make video for them. So quiet in this area, just per se. Oh my god. Mahalini tree. Also accommodation and recommended because just have beautiful garden down there. And Ultimo down there. Just here around 50 meters. Let me show you down there. Buzo. Oh, so quiet in this area, isn't it? The wind strong. I hope the voice, you can see my voice. I mean, because the wind is strong today. Yeah, this is Ultimo. Welcome to Bali, brother. Ultimo. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Seminyak Bali at shopping center area. So what do you think? Not really busy after the rain, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali around shopping center area. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Tomorrow.